guys, I don't think you guys can actually see how nice his wheels are. Like, he literally just got them done. And I'm just trying to get you like a, obviously because of driving and that, but look at this, bro. Look at his wheels, he just got it done, yeah, and it looks absolutely banging, mate. Oh, look at it. That is so sick. Obviously, if you don't know, get to know, go drop him a follow. He's been helping me out with the Fiesta for a very long time. Go check out his channel, Rascal Tech, and also SCGX on YouTube as well. And go show him some love. And go, yeah, just follow his build, because this ST is, it's something, I don't know.
When we decide to drop the rear axle, yeah, it's going to put a lot of tension on this bit here. Yeah. So you just got to release this bolt here, and then it will give us a little bit more play.
To undo that bolt, all we got to do is basically
do the bottom bolts. We're going to
do this one.
Do it with the air guns.
Yeah.
Can't be us doing the ratchet. That's why I love the guns sometimes.
Yeah, the gun is so much more easier.
You know, it's not the best because of the weight we had on the axle as we took the last bit of the thread out.
Yeah,
you know,
kind of
doesn't damage it, but best.
What, jack up a little bit more, or?
Nah, we'll be alright.
Okay, sweet.
Get it straight out.
Wee wee.
And that bolt's good. So, now, if I drop this, drop the axle right down, just keep an eye on the brake lines. Yeah, brake lines are all good. Cool. So put that back up to there, and now you should be able to just grab this spring and pull her out.
Right, give a little grabby. Oh my, yeah. Yep, these isolators are finished. These isolators are finished. Bruh. Look at that.
Where's the isolator off your other spring? Oh, it's there.
It's a little. Oh, gee. Look at that. Guys, please check your isolators when you're doing your springs. Man like Tom. Ah, man.
He's like, do you want them? I was like, I know someone that's going to need them at some point, so fuck it.
Yeah, it's literally just crumbling in my hand, man. Compared to that, therefore, yeah. You can see the before and after. I ain't got to say much. Look at that.
Have it any other way.
Yeah, you don't want neighbours that call the police on you for sitting in your car.
No, man. My neighbours are near as sound as. Got the torque figures in my on my phone. Phone quick. 15 Newton meters, 115 Newton meters for this beast.
For the torque settings. Calm.
Yeah, I got them saved when I done Tom.
This one lined up perfectly, you know. This one lined up perfectly, just going straight in.
That one goes straight in as well?
Yep.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, now I can't do it by hand, I need to either the gun.
Fuck it, a little bit over.
Oh.
What's wrong with that?
Better in than out.
Better than someone doing that with a bloody air gun that'll put up to like 250.
Fuck, you know. Couple of good lookers.
Then get an Allen key on the inside to stop the thread from spinning, and then get yourself a spanner to take that off. This is a bit of a manual jobby.
Yeah.
Then it's got the 10mm there to loosen this up, and then 2 bolts here, and then we'll just come off. Just take that out, the little plastic housing, normally a flat tip, can pry that out.
Yeah.
And then 3 bolts at the top, once you've stripped the top down. And then that's it. So I might start top down.
It's attached there.
just for the sake of cracking these loose. Straight off. Undo that one, and then undo that one. Actually, we turn the steering back to normal. Now, if you undo the top bolt, alright, where the top.
It is sitting so much better. Look at that. Oh my days. Look at the rear, bro. Look at it. See, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. You got tasting. Oh. The main man himself, go give him a follow. Look at that, look at that. Look at the wheels, man. I gave that little crash.
All that dust on the wheels. No, fuck off. I need to get some fucking spidget rings soon though. Spidget rings and set of caps. And I need to get these re-sprayed as well.
I'm not even gonna lie, yeah, you know the black, it looks so stealthy, you know. The boost gauge itself is yeah, man.
Check the real levels, man.
Massive thank you. Oh my day.
At least the springs went to a good hole. And if you ever go to the toilet, you know exactly what.
Look at the fitment. Oh, the stock wheels. 25mm spacers. 40mm? Is it a 40mm drop? 40mm?
That's about 40, yeah. They were 35mm springs, but probably about 40 now.
40, either way, they looking good.
Oh, one finger. You'll measure the rest with one finger. You'll measure the wheel with one finger.
Oh my days. Literally.
That's what it's about. Look at that.
Don't you just love it?
Live it.
Don't you just love it? Beast. Anyway, that's gonna be that's actually it. The drive wasn't too bad, you know. It was a lot more bumpier because obviously it's a bit more lower in it, so that is to be expected. And also look at that. Tay came in clutch. He gave me my own like shanty boost gauge holder. Look at that. That is sick. Let's turn it on. That is sick, bro. What do you mean? That is sick. Anyway, fucking the car drives perfectly fine. I diagnosed like a lot of issues of the check engine light that I was getting, and I know what's wrong with the car, and I got a lot of videos to make on that, so stay tuned. And yeah, it's running sweet, it drives fine, it feels a lot more planted, I must say. The springs was lowered, there were 35mm springs, but because they were on this car for a while, it kind of went down to like 40mm, so it's kind of a 40mm drop, so it ain't too bad, to be fair, once you look at that. Like, in all honesty, yeah, that, yeah, is fucking sick. Look at that. Oh my days, mate, you are crazy. And that as well, man. Oh, look at that, amazing. Couldn't thank Tay enough. Tay, if you're watching, much love, bro, I appreciate it. But yeah, with that being said, you guys can't even see me, bro. But with that being said, it's been your boy Shandy signing out. Peace.